a ITL structure to understand your service now. So whatever it is there in ITIL framework that we are following in ServiceNow. What is this ITIL framework? ITIL framework is nothing but it's a set of process. Suppose you are going on the road, correct? You need to follow the traffic rules. Those kind of a rules in IT. It's a ITIL process. Okay, ITIL is the process which you have to follow. Okay, so first let me explain this. So first let me explain on this slide. Okay, so what is this service? Today I'm providing a training. Training is a service for you. So you are paying for me a money. You don't want to take any headache. You just pay the money. So I'll be giving a service to you by providing a training, correct? Which is a service. So very simple. Service is means of delivering values customer by facilitating outcomes. So what is that outcome you will be getting out of this training? You will be getting a knowledge, correct? Outcome is a knowledge. So you will be achieving something when I'm trying to explain. So that is the service which I'm trying to provide. First one, correct? First block is that says. So next one is if I'm providing a service, suppose you want to provide a service to any organization. We are going to talk next level is to organization, correct? So I should have a incident manager who can help incidents to resolve it, correct? That is the incident manager. Then I should have a request manager. I should have a change manager. I should have a problem manager. So these all people, I have a specialized people who can deliver you as a service. So what is this change manager, problem manager, incident manager? I'll explain you later. Okay. So let's park it at present. What is this? So when we go to the detail of the particular module, we will explain what is their role, who's going to do what. Okay. So I have a set of people who can deliver you as a service. Suppose take an example, as I give an example, the car manufacturer. So developer I have, administrator I have, business analyst I have a tester also. I have a set of people. I can deliver the service to you. Okay. So that is called service management. Then ITSM, correct? We are talking. So ITSM will follow what is ITSM? Information Technology Service Management. Okay. Which will follow up ITIL process. What is that? ITIL is a framework, the last frame. So it is a set of activities. That means I am bringing the car spare parts, set of activities. I am assembling, I'm fixing, testing, and delivering to you, correct? So that is complete process called ITSM. I have set up people to deliver. I have a set up process to deliver it. I have a goal, what to deliver it. Service is goal. Here I have a set of people. I have a set of process. I have a set of framework. I should follow some framework, right? I should fix automatic gear. I should fix lights. I should fix tires. Okay, this is a setup process, which is that ITIL is the framework setup process. I have not explained this one last 3-4 days detailed. I hope I have given a clarity. What is this 4 boxes contains, correct? So you will do quality test and give it to the customer. Customer is nothing but you guys are a customer today for me. Okay. I am giving a training. I have a capability of delivering the training. I am following ITSM process by creating a design, plan, all those things. Then I am delivering in the framework, through framework. Okay. I hope I'm clear on this 4 boxes, correct? So let's go to the. So yesterday we were explained. So ITIL, they have version 1 here, version 2, version 1, 1980 they have released, 2000 they have released version 2, 2007 they released version 3, 2011 they released version 3, some enhancements, 2018 and 19 they have released V4. See, ITIL, you don't need to have much knowledge, but you should have a basic understanding so that you would be able to work on the tool again. Okay. So we discussed about this, correct? Again, coming back to the here. So we have already explained that process. Now let's come to ITL structure. What is this ITL structure? There is a life cycle. Okay. ITIL version 3 is a life cycle. Suppose if I want to deliver a training, right? What should I do? First, service strategy. Strategy is nothing but a plan, correct? In the normal language. So I'm planning, providing a training for you, correct? Then I'm designing. What is the program should be contains, correct? I'm designing and giving it to you. What is it contains? Contains. Correct? The next is I'm providing, I'm planning to purchase a Zoom, I'm planning to publicity, okay? I'm planning to get students. This is all called transition. So getting set of activities, okay? Then, sorry, activities, okay. So next is service operations. Service operations, after providing a training, you should practice yourself, correct? You should practice yourself, you should prepare yourself interview, you should prepare yourself resume, you should attend the interviews, all those things, correct? Which is a operations, I can say. Preparation or working towards getting service support. Okay. So today I'm giving a training to you. So after giving a training, so you will come back, you will go back and search what is this service now, how we can improve ourselves, correct? So today, yesterday and all I was given a training. Today I'm giving a better than yesterday, correct? Which is again called as service improvement. Every day I'm improving myself. Okay. Yesterday I was giving something, today I'm giving a different way. I prepared a lot based on your feedback. I have gone through a lot of other options, trainings, how their other peoples are giving. So that is called continuous service improvement. You have to improve yourself and every day. Why you are here today? Because you have to learn something new, correct? So that is called service improvement, continuous service improvement, which you are doing it, correct? So what is that? New things to learn and explore. So these all notes I will be giving you, okay, an everyday basis, okay. I hope you are able to understand what is the service strategy, what is the design, what is the transition, what is the operations, what is the improvement. People will ask in interview, what is CSI in ITIL, okay? Or can you explain me what is the life cycle of service ITIL, correct? What is the life cycle of service strategy, service design, transition, operation, CSI, okay? So tomorrow I will be conducting a quiz. This question will be 100%, it will be there. So you should go through and answer me, okay? And see, when you go to, this is, we are talking about ITL V3. Still all of our tools are following ITL V3, okay? So there are some improvements which we are following in ITL V4 version, okay? Again, what is this version, sir? Again, we know that every day we have to improve ourselves, correct? So every time the process has to be improved. Earlier, so maybe 1950, our constitution has been constructed or by written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. After maybe there are multiple times Parliament has revised, correct? The constitution. Maybe they have changed.
Ganga,
Uh,
this is Shrikant. I have a
Yeah,
doubt.
yeah, please.
I mean, you said ServiceNow is releasing every year two versions.
Correct.
I mean, leave about the names. Every year, two versions is getting released. But
Mhm.
ITIL is still in version 4. Is ITIL is separate from ServiceNow, or
See,
how it is?
ITIL, yeah, sorry. I got your question. Can I interrupt? Can I take it forward, or you have further question?
You can take it forward.
Okay, thank you. See, ITIL is a framework, okay? It's a global framework. All tools will follow. See, again, ServiceNow is one tool, BMC Remedy is one tool, Service Manager is one tool, SafeMax is one tool, Manage Engine is one tool. There are multiple vendors, okay? ServiceNow is the, suppose you take example, how I can explain. ServiceNow is a framework. See, again, each state will be having a different rules, correct? So each, like I will be following my own rules, but however, there is a parent guidelines. Parent guidelines is ITIL is my parent. From ITIL, I will take the guidelines and I will implement in my tool and I will utilize it. Okay. ServiceNow is one tool. Okay. Manage engine one tool. And maybe there are different tools like that. Okay. ServiceNow ITIL is
Yeah.
a framework. Okay.
Okay. Like
They are
central
different.
government and state governments, like.
Yeah. Not like that, but it's a simple way I can explain. Okay.
Can I
Okay.
interrupt? It is like a simple traffic rules for different vendor cars, like Tata car, Maruti car. Traffic rule is same, right? It's like that. Can mention.
Yeah.
Can mention like that,
Okay.
right?
See, it's a framework. ITIL is a different again. Okay. So ITIL is a framework. They are following ITIL framework, different vendors. So as of now, so if you search in Google, ITSM ticketing tools, correct? So if I search this one, there are multiple tools will come. Freshworks comes, ServiceNow comes, Manage Engine comes. If you go to Gartner, Gartner is a who measures the service, the tools. Okay, which tool is best? Again, please keep it in mind.
Okay.
The topic has come. I'm explaining. Gartner is the guy who measures which tool is the best. Gartner. Okay. Here is a Gartner, correct? Gartner is a guy who measures which tool is the best. Okay. Who's the leader? Who's the improver? Who's the
Okay.
still in market? Okay. So this
Okay.
guy, there are multiple tools. Service Desk Plus Manage Engine, correct? This is a service now. See, 4.3 rating is there. This guy also 4.3 rating is there. Then Top Desk is there. Okay. Then SolarWind Service Desk is there. Then you have Symphony IT Service Management is there. Jira Service Management is there. There
Uh,
are multiple. I1T. Okay,
I'm
these
not
all are
able to.
tools.
Uh, yeah,
Sorry.
now the screen is proper. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
Fresh.
the screen now is visible. Fresh
Okay.
service and all.
Okay, so fresh service is there. There
Okay.
are multiple tools. SysAAD is there. Okay, BMC Remedy is there. Okay, EV Service Manager is there. I1T Neuro ITSM is there. There are multiple. Okay, these all are the tools which follows ITL as a framework. Okay, these are
Okay.
the tools.
Got it.
Okay, again,
Okay.
ServiceNow releases every year 2 versions. Rest of the tools, they will release the patches. They will not release the versions. Okay. Why ServiceNow is leader in the market? Because they will keep on improve their services. Okay, that is why they are leader. If you see now, when I open the Gartner, correct? This is the Gartner. Immediately first ServiceNow has come, correct? Why? Because he is a leader in the market. Okay, I'll explain you how he's become a leader. What is background of it. So we are back again. We'll be back again here. So what is this again? There are five life
Okay.
cycle. Srikanth, hope you understood, correct?
Yeah, yeah. Got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now we are back
Thank you.
to again our topic. So there is a life cycle, five life cycles, correct? This is the okay. Then there is a version 4. 4 focus more, okay? Service value. So how we are going to give more value to the customer, okay? And 4 dimensions. 4 dimensions is nothing but we discussed that people, process, product, and partner. You don't need to have much knowledge. You should know what is this 4 processes: people, process, product, and partners. Okay, so the ITL 4 follows 4 dimensions and it has a 34 practices. Okay, so that is about it. Okay, now coming back, ITL key concepts. we discussed, correct? Service. What is service? Anything which I'm delivering to the customer, which is a service. Then I have an incident. Incident is, see, yesterday and day before yesterday and last 3-4 days, I have explained the people understanding language. Today I'm coming back ITIL definitions. Okay. So you should be very careful when somebody interviewer asks, you should be able to answer this definitions or this meaning. What is service? A service means delivering value to customer without them having own of cost and risks. Okay. You are not owning this training. I'm still providing you the training, correct? Taking risk, taking time, all those things, getting the information from different sources and providing you knowledge, correct? That is a service. You're not owning, okay? You're not taking risk. I am owning, I am taking risk and providing you. That is called service. Okay, then next is what is incident. Yesterday we were discussing. So whenever your internet was not used, you're not able to use our mobile network, you're not able to use, that is the issue where you will call to customer care and inform them. Then they will log a incident, correct? So that is the issue we discussed. What is incident? Actually, an unplanned interruption or reduction of quality. What is this unplanned? So it was working suddenly, it was working, suddenly it is not working. Unplanned means suddenly it is not working. Suppose I am giving a training now, suddenly my laptop is shut down or restarted, which is called interruption, unplanned interruption, correct? Then reduction of service quality. Suppose I'm giving a training to you, you are not able to see my screen, okay? So that is a reduction of service quality. I hope you guys are getting correct very clearly what is that reduction of service quality, what is the interruption. So then,
Yeah.
so if somebody asks you in interview question, what is incident? Unplanned interruption or reduction in service quality. Okay. So the next one is problem. So problem is nothing but if you have multiple times incident, okay, same issue keep on repeating, then it's a problem. Okay. You don't have a root cause. Root cause is nothing but why it is keep on issue is reoccurring, correct? So that you don't have it. Or if you have a more incident, suppose today all of our laptops are not working. We are working in sitting in office. Suddenly our laptop started restarting. Then it's a more incidents will create, correct? More issues will be there. More incidents, more issues will be there. So that is also problem for the organization. Okay. So again, yesterday we were explaining incident manages L1, L2 team and L3 team also. Problem will be managed L3 and L4 on top level team. So problem management team is more skilled team. Suppose when you ask me, after working 10 years, you will be in problem management team. Okay. First to 10 years, you will be an incident team only. Incident and you will be in a service request team. So once you are familiar with the domain or development area, then you will become a problem management team. You will be in problem management team, correct? So then in case of any, what is change? As we discussed, correct? So suddenly yesterday we were discussing your area in any of your city. Earlier having a 10 towers. Now they were only 1 lakh people was there. 10 towers was there, Airtel towers. Now it became a 1.5 lakh people. You are not able to use the data. You are not able to use the network, correct? So you need to increase your towers or capacity, right? One is addition or modification, the existing, or remove and add more powerful device to support, correct? Those are called change. Okay. Addition or modification of removal of any service component in IT. So in IT called change. I hope you understood what is this, correct?
Yes,
So,
sir. Uh, One question. In the
yep.
change management, we have deployed the customizations or only a product space?
Customization. See, again, I'll tell you, see, at present, you deployed a OOB version. OOB means by default version, correct?
Okay.
So somebody asked, now I need extra features. Okay, you will add that extra features and push to the production, which is called change. I hope I'm clarified, correct?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So next one is configuration item. So yesterday we were discussing configuration item. What is this configuration item? It may be my device, my software, or my network component, my applications, my servers. This laptop which I'm providing is a CI, configuration item. So all CIs will be stored where? CMDB, configuration management database. Okay. So we discussed about yesterday and day before yesterday, correct? So what is the CMDB? And one more is we were not covering here one more. What is that? Service request. Yesterday we were covering, correct? What is that service request? So service request is here only in the service. You're asking something, I'm providing, okay? Which comes here only in the service request, okay? So now coming back, core ITL practices from ITL v4. Incident management we discussed. So what is incident we discussed? An unplanned interruption and reduction of the service quality we discussed, correct? Now we are going one step ahead. What is that one step ahead? Who involved on incident management? So incident is the issue for you, correct? So who involved on incident management? So incident management, suppose you call to customer care and you complain saying that my data I'm not able to use it. So who has to be work now when you call to customer care? That may be service desk or customer care people, correct? Those are all part of your incident management team. Whoever is receiving your ticket, they are also service desk. We can call service desk. Okay, service desk in IT organization we'll call a service desk. In a like Airtel or Geo, where we'll call a customer care, correct? So that we will discuss what is this customer care, what is service desk in later classes. Okay. Now we will talk about service desk. Service desk team will be part of incident management. What they will do, they will create a incident and they will assign it to the particular team to resolve your issue. Suppose you are not able to access your data in by sitting one of the city, either Kadapa, maybe Madanpalli or Vijayawada, whatever city, right? When you log a ticket, so what will happen? It will go to the particular town technician who has to fix. In that technicians also, one guy will be working for dedicatedly data issues. The other guy will be working for a tower related issues. The other guy will be working for a maybe tower hardware. Suppose one tower is down because of there is no diesel, there is no electricity, correct? So there is a three different people who sitting in a Kadapa or Madanpalli who can resolve your issues, correct? So whenever you create a ticket that I'm not able to use my data, so what will happen? Service desk will create a ticket and there will be one guy who's there for data related. He will take your ticket and he will try to solve your issue. And after taking your ticket, he will try to assign himself. He will try to update you that saying that your issue is fixed. Then after fixing the issue, he will try to take your feedback, correct? This complete end-to-end process called incident management. And I will also, he will measure how much time I took for resolving the issue. That is called service level agreement, SLA. Okay. What is that? SLA means service level agreement. I will give you a guide where you will be having a full meaning of it. Okay. So you have to just understand what is incident management, the complete process involved to fix or track your issue called IT management. There is the incident manager will be there who manages all your tickets. He will be over through all the tickets, how many tickets are logged, who is working on it, all those things will be taken care by incident management. Okay. And we will be having each issue different team members who will fix it. I hope I have given a clarity what is incident management. It's a complete process to handle one of your issue or multiple issues. Okay. Then problem management is also same way, correct? Problem If you create a problem ticket, there will be a problem team and problem manager also will be there. Okay. So we'll discuss when we are discussing problem management in detail. Okay. So then change enablement or change management team, I can say. So whenever you created a ticket saying that change ticket, saying that I have to increase my RAM, I have to increase my towers in my hometown, whatever, correct? So then they will analyze how many towers you need to increase, what is that, if I increase, whether that will be solve the issue, all those things will be done by change enablement team. Okay, they will also review what is the impact of it. Okay, those complete team called change enablement team. Okay, there is a change manager for that. Okay, who leads that change manager? Who leads this practice? Problem manager. Who leads this practice? Incident manager. Correct. So then service request management. Okay, so whenever you raise any ticket, suppose you created a ticket with Airtel saying that my data earlier I was getting 10 Mbps, I need 100 Mbps. That is your service request. Okay, so whenever you create a request, after paying amount, so you will get that service request enabled, that will be 100 Mbps line allowed to your home, correct? So that is, there is a service manager who will manage your complete service request. When you request raised, when it is fulfilled, whether it is fulfilled, whether you are using, not using, all those things, he will be measuring it. Then there is a service desk. Service desk is a function. Okay, this is all processes. Service desk is a function. Function nothing but they will work, they will take your calls and they will distribute along with the team and they will try to fix your issues. Okay, then asset management. So all the assets like your laptops, tablets, your mouse, your internet, your monitor, your desktops, your servers, all will be your softwares, all will be managed in asset management tool. Okay, so this is about asset management. We discussed about continue improvement, correct? So once whatever we are doing work, how do we improve? That is every day we have to work. Otherwise, our jobs will not be there. So today I am able to solve one issue. Tomorrow I should be able to solve two issues. The day after tomorrow I will be able to solve three issues, correct? That way we have to keep on improve. That is called service improvement. We will analyze the data, the existing data, and try to improve ourselves. How many tickets we solved yesterday, how can we improve ourselves, all those things we can plan and do it. There will be managers who uh, guide you how to improve it by going through your data, correct? So next is information security management. See, we all know that by seeing that security management, yesterday I was giving example, whenever you go, your phone, somebody hacked, correct? So how do you react? You will call maybe Samsung or maybe Apple or maybe the service provider like Airtel, whoever may be, correct? Or if your data is breached on WhatsApp, where do you complain? You complain on a WhatsApp vendor that saying that my data is breached in WhatsApp. You are saying end-to-end encryption. When I send to my mother one of my password, so somebody has theft. How do it is possible? Then you will complain to WhatsApp, correct? So that they will record a information security incident. Then they will investigate how the people are able to do it. Then they will find out a fix for that. Okay, that is a information security. Simple example. There is a risk. See, we know that whenever we are driving, whenever we are going on the walk, we have always risk. Somebody drives rashly. So what will happen? He will come and hit us, correct? So how to avoid that? This is the risk management, how to avoid and how to record them as a risks. Okay. So then when you go to any I can say example, maybe Amazon, Flipkart, maybe you will take example of Air India site or Indigo site. Okay, when you go to site, they will guide you where to go, how to search your things, and how to book the tickets. Correct. So similar way in ServiceNow, here if you see here, I will search here desktop or laptop. Familiar word is laptop. Desktop is older words. Okay, let's use a laptop. I'm using a laptop, correct? When I search, see, there are a lot of knowledge base articles. So how it is going to help? They are saying, so first one is developer laptop. You need a Mac. You need a Mac. Mac means Apple laptop you need, correct? Mac Pro, you need it. So when you are asking, you will get this one. So there is a similar way what to do when you locked out your computer. So they are saying in the laptop, if you search a word, so there are multiple knowledge bases are come up. Knowledge bases which will help you to solve your issue your own instead of involving technical team. So what is knowledge base? Your own way to solve by using the articles. Okay. At present, you learn this one. Then later we will, when we are discussing this module, I'll explain you more. So yesterday we were discussing, we will always have a 3 instances, correct? One is that development. ServiceNow, whenever you are purchasing URL from them, they will give a development system, they will give you a UAT system, production system. All your code will be built in development, then you will test in UAT, then you will put in the production for usage, correct? The same way, the cars will be built in the factory, then they will test in the some roads where the people are not crowded, then they will give it to main roads, correct? So this is called complete life cycle, software development life cycle, this is called, okay? You will develop, you will test, you will move to the production to usage. So going back again, our slide, this is the deployment management process, okay? And infrastructure and platform management. Infrastructure means, so I have an instance, ServiceNow instance. This is my platform. What is this? ServiceNow is the platform, okay? Okay, infrastructure platform. So again, software development and management. Again, we discussed, right? One is when somebody develops, is a developer. So then he will hand over it to administrator. He will develop and give it to administrator. Okay. So this is called your software development and management. Okay. So now coming back, incident management. Okay. I hope I'm given complete information. If you have any doubt, please let me know. If you want me to go a little bit slow, I can go. Again, the example of incident management I'm just giving. So user report, my emails are not working, correct? So you will log incident, then you will categorize that it is related to email, and you will prioritize when you have to fix, within what time you have to fix. Then the ticket will be assigned to support team and they will resolve. Then the ticket will be closed. Then resolution, whatever you have provided, that will be documented, because if you give solution now, next time that similar kind of ticket comes, ServiceNow itself understand and try to provide a solution for you by having a knowledge-based document. Can I repeat? So if you give a solution now, write some solution saying that this issue I have fixed by using so and so steps. Okay, those steps will help next time whenever you have a similar kind of issue, you will get a knowledge base by closure of existing ticket. I hope I'm clear. First, whenever you are having issue, you will report that my email is down, which is the incident logged in ServiceNow, then categorized and prioritized. I will show you this in ServiceNow how to do it. Okay. So this concept, we will just remind me, I will be explaining practically how we are going to do it. So what is the benefits of ITIL standardization? So we have a setup process which we will follow, right? It's a standardization. Okay. And better alignment, like it's a framework. We always follow this framework and set business goals that within the so and so time I have to provide a solution to you. And faster resolution. Faster resolution, if you suppose your tower is down, you complained. Today you complain saying that my tower is down in my area. The next day they will find out why it is going down, right? So the similar way, they will try to have a reduced downtime. So downtime is that you are not able to use it, the internet or tower, whatever phone tower. Okay. So they will try to provide faster resolution. Then measure outcomes. KPI, key performance indicator. What is this KPI? Key performance indicator. How do I measure your performance? By using key performance indicator. So suppose today I was able to fix your issue within 1 hour. Tomorrow I am able to fix within 15 minutes. So how do you measure? That is by using KPI, key performance indicators. So again, risk reduction. So risk reduction means every day you are having some tower issue. So they will try to find out a better way to handle that issue. Okay. Or better way, some changes to build to reduce the risk. Suppose you are going on the every day on the road, correct? You are going on the road and somebody is trying to come and hit you, correct? So then they will try to find out, yes, we need to build a footpath so that they will not go on the footpath and drive it, correct? So that is a risk. They will plan it in case of more accidents are happening in maybe I can say example, there is a one ghat is there. In the ghat road every day there is a accidents are happening. How do you reduce this risk? By constructing a better way of road, correct? So you will find out. How do you measure? Because every day we are having an accident. So that way we can reduce this one. So then say summary of this ITIL, correct? So I'll just give what is ITIL. So we discussed about what is ITIL, correct? So I will always show you the information technology infrastructure library, ITIL. Okay, I can explain, but so for you to remember, just keep information technology infrastructure library, ITIL, correct? So this is a IIT service management framework. The framework is used by tool. Okay. What is incident? Unplanned interruption. What is problem? Root cause of the incident. What is change? Modification of IT environment. What is CI? Configuration item. What is service desk? Primary contact point of users. When you call to them, they will be answering you. Correct? I hope I am given a complete this one. A 0 day is done. So we were discussing yesterday, day before yesterday, all those things. I'm able to give at least what is ITIL till now, correct? So let's park here.